Hey there, schmoopy poopies. How's your Saturday? I don't even know anymore. Today, Typewriter Series 414. And this one's a little E.E. Cummings-esque. There's some liberties taken with the spacing from the old typewriter. Here's your wee paper. It looks like this. It's kind of a weird color of yellow. On the back, you have a tiny little, what I'm thinking might be a sandpiper, but I'm not sure. Here's your poem. I hope you love it. I can feel her pulling me. I can feel life flowing in her direction. I can feel me ignoring all the reasons for stopping. I have seen us, loving, breathing, and smiling. I am waiting to be the us we are creating. Whoa. And like I said, E. Cummings-esque, you can see how the words are broken into that, because to me, when I wrote this one, I was feeling breathless and I was feeling pulled. And the only way I felt that I could visually represent that was to pull the words apart. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. Tell me something amazing in the comments. See you later.